Hi guys, it's Raven Shay, and it's time to start baking. So I had to get my set of 2 cookie sheets. I like this because this is going to make the baking more fun than ever. Ooh. If you plan on having company over, you need new baking sheets. This is how it looks. This is the smaller one, and this is considered the medium size. Here's the medium size one. Here's the smaller one in the front, and here's the medium size one. So now you see the difference in how they look. The smaller one is 13 by 9, and the bigger one is 15 by 10. So these are how they look. Cinnamon rolls, biscuits, cookies, anything you want, you can bake on these baking sheets, and I really like them. They're non-stick, of course. Has the little rubber handles on the side. So guys, I really like this, and I give these a 10 out of 10. I really love these.